Hadiatun Nurulnia. In this video, I will explain a common but very intrusive physics phenomenon that we experience almost every day, the boiling of water. We often see boiling water in the kitchen, but there is actually a fascinating scientific process happening behind it. Let's explore it together!
Water is made up of small molecules that are always moving even when it looks calm. When water is heated, heat energy from the stove is transferred to the water molecules. The heat energy makes the water molecules move faster and faster. When the temperature reaches the boiling point, vapor pressure increases and the molecules begin to change into gas. Water vapor bubbles form and rise to the surface. This process is called boiling.
We've just seen through the animation how water molecules behave and how they transform into vapor. Now, I will show the process in real life. In the next part, I will demonstrate boiling water while we analyze what is happening.
At the beginning of the experiment, the electric pot was turned on and water was heated. At this stage, no bubbles were observed and the water remained calm. Heat was being transferred to the water, but boiling had not started yet. The temperature was still increasing and changes were not visible at this moment. This stage was the preparation phase before bubbles would appear in the next process. As heating continued, small bubbles began to appear at the bottom of the pot. At this stage, the bubbles were still very small and did not rise to the surface. These bubbles were formed from trapped air that was released as the temperature increased. The water was still being heated and boiling had not occurred yet. Some bubbles disappeared quickly, while others remained attached to the bottom. This showed that heat was being absorbed by the water and the temperature was increasing gradually. At this point, the water was approaching the next stage of heating, where large bubbles would begin to form. At this stage, large bubbles were clearly visible in the water. These bubbles were water vapor, not air. The vapor pressure was strong enough to push the bubble upward, so they rose continuously to the surface. This indicates that the water was close to its boiling point. At around 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere, boiling occurs as the water begins to roll.
In summary, water boils because heat energy makes the molecule move faster until they change into vapor. The simple everyday event actually involves important physics concepts such as vapor pressure, latent heat, and fast change. Understanding this process helps you appreciate that even ordinary activities are connected to deeper scientific principles. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope the explanation was useful and helped you understand the phenomenon of boiling water from a physics perspective. See you guys, bye bye! this video, I will explain a common but very interesting physics phenomenon that we experience almost every day: the boiling of water. Hello everyone, my name is Hadiatun Nurin Unia. In this video, I will explain a common but very interesting physics. In summary, water boils because heat energy makes the molecule move faster until they change into vapor. The simple everyday even actually involves important physics concepts such as vapor pressure, latent heat, and past tense. Understanding this process helps you appreciate that. In summary, water boils because heat energy makes the molecule move faster until they change into vapor. The simple, everyday, even actually involves important physics concept such. Halo guys. Sumuk-sumuk. Jadi aku mau buat video bersama Via. Ini Via. Jadi kita mau buat video bahasa Inggris fisika, bahasa Inggris fisika, fenomena fisika tapi dalam bahasa Inggris.